everybody, Bluesy Dev here, and today we're going to be creating a game. Well, it's the start of a new series, a game creation series, and I'm just going to be constantly creating this game. Obviously I have 2 games currently being created, and this is the second game that's being created right now, but yeah. This is going to be a public one that I'm creating for like educational purposes, etc, etc. So anyway, let's create a trigger. Player added. So whenever a player is added, it creates this function. Well, it doesn't create it, it just runs this function. A function is a set of instructions, I believe, if that's the correct definition. I'm not so sure, but there you go. So we'll create a leader stats, and then we'll make that into a new thing, and it's going to be an integer value, and I want to destroy that part. So cool. Let's set it as the currency, so we'll create a new currency, integer value once again. And Roblox, can you please fix this? Because I mean, like, you know, whoever does that, that's very annoying. But yeah, let's create the person. Alright, let's set these as the person person there, and then leader stats there. Yo, you should be able to, like, if you're intermediate, you should be able to create that off the bat, like that. But leader stats, oh Jesus, I have terrible spelling. Name equals, I mean, like, if you understand what's being done right now, kudos to you. But if not, then you probably aren't like intermediate, etc, etc, or you might be the complete noob. I mean, like, beginners should understand this as well. Like, probably not this part, but yeah, they should get some idea, some grip on it. But yeah, I've actually lost the plot today. It's like it's 25 past 5, but I'm still really slow for some reason. No, 45. Screw it, let's go 45. Right. So what is it? It's like local money equals aim dot place dot local player wait for child. Let's just wrap it up a bit. Screen GUI frame. Let's get a frame. Let's get a frame popping. Let's call it top bar, because it's going to be the top bar frame. Let's just cut it up to like here or something. Yeah, about there. This is just going to be what it looks like. Let's get a label. And oh jeez, I don't want to do this. Script. Oh my days, undo that. We'll call this the box val for the box value, and then we'll plonk it over there, because why not? That might be easier. And then we'll wait for the child's screen. Local player. Oh, that's what I did wrong here. Player GUI. Child screen GUI. That seems good. Local frame. No, actually, T bar equals. So we have to wait for the screen GUI. Then we get the wait. Oh. Actually, really sorry. I'm sorry about that. I've just tried lots of things to do lots of things today, so it's just not going well. Then local. What was it? It would be bval equals t bar wait for child, and then we'll go box cloud, and then we can just do eval dot text. That's what it be equals, and then we'll start the brackets. So we'll go bucks space dot dot, and then we'll go to string, and we'll go currency dot value. Then we'll close that. Oh, that was a bit odd. Alright, let's see if that works actually. Yep, that works. It works perfectly. So now we just have to create another thing. We'll go for button. We'll need to add a script for that to make it automatically set, but for now it's good. So we'll set that to add. It will literally be an add button, a money adding button. That's not literally advertisement button, but yeah. Oh, let's add a bit of flair. Nah, it's great. Let's go there. That seems perfect. And then we'll change the text to plus sign. Then we'll plonk it in here. There, perfect. Now what I don't like with these is I don't like having the border, because like the frame has its own border, so I don't want doubles. Don't want like one border splitting them. We can I'll change that to black. Then I'll make the text color white, which seems pretty good. Yeah, that seems good. Now we'll go to local script, because now we've got everything sorted out there, and we'll rename that to add money, and we'll do game dot actually no, we'll go, we have to make the trigger first, script parent, and then every time it left clicks we'll make it do the function. Okay, what we're gonna make it do, we're gonna make it go game players local player leader stats box dot value equals, and we'll just nab that because why not. And then we'll make it add 5 every time. That seems reasonable. So we've got that all sorted out, and now we'll just add a local script. This should be enough for this episode today of the series. Hopefully it won't be that long right now, but it's okay. We'll go script. No, we'll go game.lazy. See, I'm very slow. Sorry about that. Local player, and then we'll go leader status. Box. Then every time the box is changed, it connect. Oh, jeez. Function. Enter. Script dot parent text equals. It will equal the box space dot dot, and then it'll be that. It'll be the box to string box dot value. Alright, that seems like it should work very well. Yeah, that works perfectly fine. So now we've got our bucks and 135. That should say 135. Yep. That works perfectly. Okay. Alright, so first, for the first episode, that went pretty well. It worked, which is awesome. So the next episode, we're going to work on collecting more money or shops or whatever. We're just going to do one thing for every episode from now on. But anyway, that's pretty good. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next episode.